Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Overnight, we've got nearby beans up about 12 cents. November beans unchanged. Corn's up a penny. Wheat's up about 4 cents. And in the individual markets, in the beans in the last 10 days, we've seen some pretty good Chinese buying of beans, and globally, buyers of U.S. new crop meal. That's been helping the markets, underpinning some of the cash basis levels, and overnight's helping the futures market. In China, it sounds like the pork production and pork prices are going higher, which is helping crush margins there. Also, the poultry industry is seeing some profitability, and so this is all helping the demand for beans and helping our situation here. Still in the bean market, assuming normal weather, we're having a 400 carryout for next year, which is still bearish prices for November beans at these levels. It's just seasonally, it's kind of hard to push beans down until we get through the August weather. Over in the corn, we've beat the corn down pretty hard. I think that the perception is that how low is low depends on how big the yield is. And overnight, the USDA kept ratings unchanged, which is kind of rare. Usually ratings start dropping now as we get into pollination and normal summer weather. So the fact that conditions are really favorable and the ratings stayed unchanged is a little bit negative to beans. Now people are guessing that the negative to corn. Now people are guessing that we could actually see a corn yield in the United States that's over 170 bushels per acre. And in the wheat, there's just some talk that maybe we found some levels which were at value for the wheat, although the USDA continues to rate spring wheat high, and harvest yields of the hard red runner wheat are coming in a little bit better than expected, and world prices and world production is expected to be adequate for the coming year. Outside markets, you got the stock market up, maybe a little ease and tension in Ukraine. The dollar's firmer, with Europe talking about more sanctions against Russia, hurting the euro versus the dollar. Seeing a little profit taking in the gold because of maybe the ease and tension in the Ukraine. So nearby beans up on demand, corn about unchanged, wheat up a little bit, and we'll just have to see what kind of weather we have in the United States between here and the end of August. There is one crop weather watcher out there that's suggesting August here in the United States Midwest may be drier than July. There might be a little ridging that comes in and out of the western Midwest from time to time. This is normal for August, but you may not want to, as a speculator, carry a big short position into that kind of weather pattern. So we'll see if that offers some support in the market down the road. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day. I know. I've been